Mweri-inĩ wa kerĩ mwaka-inĩ wa 2013 Akenya ni maheirwo mweke wa mwanya kuria mahaririirio ndereti gatagati ka ahuraniri othe a giturwa gia president ni ngwataniro ya nyumba cia mohoro guku bururi-ini. Riri riari rita ria mbere ria Akenya kuona undu ta uyu ukihanika na ni wateithirie na njira nene hari Akenya gutaukwo ahuraniri aya.
In that year, we had 2 debates between 8 candidates, which drew intense viewership among millions of Kenyans across the country. These debates, which were also aired on all radio stations across the country, gave the electorate an opportunity to evaluate the respective positions of the 8 candidates on key national issues.
Kumana na urumiriri munene wa Kenya ndereti-ini ino, ene nyumba cia mohoro ni macokaniriire ringi na riciria otariri no rita riri ona aria mararugama na ahuraniri aya tanini ao onao ni mekuheo mweke.
The first presidential debate will be held on Monday, the 10th of July at 7:30 p.m. The second debate will involve running mates of the presidential candidates, that is, candidates for the office of Deputy President. This debate shall be held on Monday, the 17th of July at 7:30 p.m. The third debate will be the second and final presidential debate and shall take place on Monday, the 24th of July, also at 7:30 p.m.
Ukirigithania na mwaka wa 2013 muigana wa ahuranira giti gia president mwaka-ini uyu ni wongererekeire na makiria ma maita meri. Kamiti ria rabanga ndereti ino igitikira ati uyu ni umwe wa moritu maria marebanga kungethanira namo.
Also part of one of the issues that's being discussed by the organizing committee, and we are going to use objective guidelines in coming up with a framework of deciding who and how many candidates will participate in the debate.
Ndereti ino ifagitwo gugatabanio university-ini ya Catholic mwena wa Rang'ata guku Nairobi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.